here's a scenario we can all relate to. You've penciled in that dream long weekend away, the camping trip with the boys, the family, your friends, whoever it might be. You've checked the weather, you're checking the radar, the car is packed, and you finally pull up to your dream campsite. But then, what do you spot in the distance? Right there over the horizon, a dark, ominous rain cloud. Suddenly, it looks like you're going to be having to deal with a wet tent, soggy bedding, and just a terrible time in general. But do I have the solution for you guys? Automotive Superstore had just finished building their tough weekend tourer, the NP300 Navara, and one of the must-have modifications I asked for was a good quality awning. And lo and behold, here is one fitted. This guy right here is the Yakima SlimShady 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter awning, and it is an absolute essential if you're going to be doing any sort of touring or camping with your four-wheel drive. This guy right here features 420D polyester material, which means it's not only going to be durable and provide fantastic shade and shelter from the harsh UV rays, but it's also going to be completely waterproof. Now, nothing ruins a camping trip like not being able to shelter from the elements, especially the sun and the rain, and that's exactly what this guy is going to come in handy doing. Now, I personally think that 2.5 meters long and 2.5 meters wide is the optimal size for an awning. It's perfect for a family of 4 or 5 to sit under. You can all shelter, but it's also perfect size for 2 full-size swags to shelter under as well overnight, which means you can get you and all your mates or all your family out of the elements as well. The other fantastic thing about this is it is lightweight. It's only 15 kilos, which means for you guys out there watching your weight, not me, but you guys out there, this isn't gonna break the weight bank. You can mount it up on your roof rack, works perfectly with the Yakima lock and load platform like we have fitted on the Navara, and it's not going to upset the balance of your vehicle. Another fantastic thing about the Yakima SlimShady awning is it comes with a black PVC all-weather bag, which is great because A, it's going to keep your awning safe and protected from the elements when it's not in use, but it's also black, which means it's going to blend in with the roof rack of your vehicle, unlike some other brands that have really gorish, brightly coloured and sort of standout covers. The other fantastic thing about the Yakima SlimShady awning is that it comes with a universal tool-free mounting kit included, or you can go ahead and use something like the quick release Yakima awning brackets that we've fitted here with a lock and load system, which means if you don't want the awning on there, say you have to fit into an underground car park at home or work, it's a very easy job to slide it in and off. If you want to find out anything else or anything more about the Yakima range of awnings or roof rack accessories, head to automotivesuperstore.com.au, give us a call, or drop by in store.